How to fix Steam Disk Write error. 1. Make sure your drivers are up to current by using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Delete the 0 KB file from common subfolder at Steam/Steam apps. 3. Delete content logger. File at Steam/logs. 4. Run verify game. Files integrity in Steam Launcher. 5. Input Steam/flush config command in the run box. 6. Enable full control of the Steam folder security. 7. Run the following. As admin. Disk hard list disk select disk hashtag attributes disk clear read only 8. Disable your antivirus program. 9. Allow Steam 3.